Okay, so now we're going to start with the inferior veins. We're going to start with the great saphenous vein. The great saphenous vein is going to flow into the femoral vein. And a branch off of the femoral vein is the deep femoral vein going into the groin area. As the femoral vein passes through the body wall, what we're going to see is that it becomes the external iliac vein. The external iliac vein is going to continue inside of the body cavity. Then there is a smaller branch which goes internally, which is going to go to the internal iliac vein. Those two veins join together to form a common iliac vein. So the V that we see right here will be the common iliac vein. From there, moving superiorly, we're going to see a branch called the iliolumbar vein. And the iliolumbar vein and iliolumbar artery almost always run together, and we tend to ask them together. Moving superiorly, we see the inferior vena cava, large blue vessel running along the dorsal wall. The next two branches that we're going to see are the gonadal or genital veins, and on the right side, we're going to see it come up and across and join to the inferior vena cava. On the left side, we're going to see that this vessel is going to come up and it's going to join to the left renal vein. Now you'll notice that this vessel does not have very much blue dye in it. We will see that some of the vessels are not perfused as well and will not contain as much of the blue latex dye. Moving superiorly, we see the renal vein. There's going to be a left renal vein and a right renal vein. Superior to that, we're going to see the adrenal lumbar vein, which is coming across the adrenal gland. Here's the adrenal gland, and the adrenal lumbar vein is moving across that. Moving superiorly, we're going to see the hepatic vein. We have cut the liver, and now we can see the large blue hepatic vein, which was running through the liver, will join to the inferior vena cava. The last vessel that we're looking for is the hepatic portal vein, and that is found up coming from the intestines. We have the superior mesenteric vein coming across from the stomach and the spleen. We have the gastrosplenic vein. They join together to form the hepatic portal vein, which goes to the liver.